Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Marine Electrical Made Easy. Today we are going to learn about navigation lights on ships, their functions, colors, arrangement and some important troubleshooting tips used on board by marine engineer and ETOs. So let us begin. So this is something like the mast. So you can see in the ship that behind there is a mast. So that is called the main mast, and this is the foremast actually. And so you can see all the navigation lights. And this navigation light fitting normally contains two incandescent lamps, but it is not shown here. But in all the ships will be having that two incandescent lamps will be there, a top lamp and a bottom lamp, usually rated around 60 watts. And one lamp receives power from the main switchboard, and while the other receive supply from the emergency switchboard for backup safety. Under normal conditions, the top lamp is kept on. This is because replacing the bottom lamp at sea can sometimes be more difficult due to fitting arrangement and accessibility. All navigation lights are controlled directly from the ship's bridge, allowing officers to monitor and operate them easily during navigation. Whenever a lamp becomes fused, it must be replaced immediately. After replacing the bulb, always ensure the navigation light fitting is properly sealed and watertight. If moisture or rainwater enters inside, it can cause corrosion, short circuit, fuse failure and even complete light failure, creating serious safety risk during night navigation. Proper maintenance of navigation lights extremely important because these lights are the eyes of the ship at sea. Now you can see here. Now you see there are what are all the navigation lights. See, there is a port side light, that is red light, and starboard light is a green light. Now, so what are all the navigation lights? What they do actually, it is whether the ship is moving or anchored, you will come to know the direction of the vessel to help prevent collision at sea. That is most important, especially at night or foggy, poor visibility. These lights follow international rules called Regs, international regulations for preventing collision at sea. So navigation lights are very, very important. Without navigation lights is cannot sail, not possible to sail. And now these are all the lights. Now the first is masthead light. So that is fitted in the main mast, and we can we can call this as a steaming light, and it is fitted at the front upper part of the ship, visible from 225°. Shows the vessel is powered by engine and underway. That means the ship is moving. Then port light, and we can say actually it can be called as port bow light, and the port bow light is red color, and it is installed on the left side of the ship and visible from 112.5°. Red means port side, remember that. Then starboard light, that is green light, we can say starboard bow light, is a green color, installed on the right side of the ship when you are facing in the forward direction. So in your right side the starboard, and left side is the port, and green means starboard side. And then stern light, that is a white color, installed at the rear of the ship, the back side of the ship, and visible from 135 degrees, show the backside of the vessel. Then anchor light, that is white light used when ship is at anchor. Why navigation lights are important? You can see it prevents collision between vessels and helps identify ship movement and direction, essential during night sailing and foggy weather, mandatory under maritime safety regulations. Now we will discuss about the common problems on board ship about the navigation lights. Now, as I told you, this is a incandescent lamp, and the ship is having the vibration is too much on board in the ship, so the maximum time the bulb will get fused, and then the fuse will blow. So there is a navigation light panel is there in the bridge, and then in that the toggle switches are fitted, and loose connection, then water ingress, because now if you after changing the bulb, if you are not sealing the fitting properly, the moisture, rainwater, everything can enter inside, and it will make a short circuit, and the fuse will blow off, and it is a big job afterwards. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed and learned something useful from this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Marine Electrical, made easy for more marine electrical knowledge and troubleshooting tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Stay safe at sea. Thank you.